I am working on the 17-foot boat once again. It's been a while, I know. What I'm doing right now is just grinding off the old gel coat on the transom and beveling the edges, getting them nice and rounded off. And we're gonna wrap this outer face of the transom and wrap the lip here with some 1708 before we fair it and get it done. Alrighty, nicely cured. Take the grinder, start grinding off these edges. Finished up the transom, got it sealed with some epoxy fairing compound. Ended up also covering the whole boat with some blue guide coat. As you can see, I've been sanding it all week, trying to figure out where my highs and low little spots are so I could fill that up with some fairing compound. Once I do that and get it sanded nicely smooth and clean, be ready for some 545 epoxy primer. So I got the Mako 17 faired out pretty much as best as I could until I get some primer on it. I know there's going to be some imperfections here and there that I'll have to fix later on, but I need to get this thing all in one color. So we're going to wash it with some Comet and a Brillo pad, then pressure wash that off, let it dry, and start shooting it with some 545. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap up the video here on the 17-foot Mako. Got it primed with 545 epoxy primer on the inside. So come next video, we'll block this out and get it painted with some Awlgrip. Currently working on the 26-foot Mako. This is basically in the same stage that was in the beginning of the video. Getting ready for some 545 primer on this as well. So yeah, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace.